Hello, in this video I will explain to you on how to solve this problem. So the question is, a small ball rolls horizontally off the edge of a tabletop that is 1.20 meter high. It strikes the floor at a point 1.52 meter horizontally from the table edge. And question A, how long is the ball in the air? And B, what its speed at the instant it leaves the table. Okay, let's extract some information from the problem here. We have the tabletop that is 1.20 meter high. So we will have this one here. The ball lies on the table that is 1.20 meter height. So I will have this edge here that will be 1.20 meter. And then it strikes the floor at a point 1.52 meter horizontally from the table edge. The table edge is here, and it will strike horizontally to that point there. And let's name this X, and that X is 1.52 meter. So I'll have 1.52 meter. Okay, and then what else that we can get? We have this one here, a small ball rolls horizontally. So we only have horizontal velocity, right? So we will have VO, X. So we will have VO, X, and this is what we are looking for. And because the ball does not have any vertical velocity, we have VO, but on the vertical direction here will be 0 meter over second. And then let's do analysis on the vertical direction. Because the ball does not have initial vertical velocity, we can assume that it is free falling, right? So the ball is free falling from the table of the edge. And by free fall, we can use this formula here. H is equal to 1/2 gt squared. And we are given that height, and we also know the gravity, so we need to find out the time. Okay, let's rearrange for time. So I will have t squared here is equal to 2h divided by g. But then we have this t here is the square root of 2h divided by g. And then we can just plug in the numbers here. So we will have square root of 2 multiplied by 1.2, right? So the height is 1.20 meter divided by g, that will be 9.8. And what can we do here is just plug this into calculator. So we will have, okay, let's clean this up. We will have square root of this one, 2 multiplied by 1.20 divided by 9.8. And that will equal to, we will have 0.49. So we will have t here is equal to 0.49. And the unit here will be in seconds. So that is the answer for question A. How long is the ball in the air? And that is the answer for the question A. And for the question B, what is its speed at the instant it leaves the table? So we need to do analysis on the horizontal direction. And in horizontal direction, we have only the velocity here, and we assume that it has constant velocity. Constant velocity, and we can just calculate the distance by using x is equal to the v times t, right? But this is the initial horizontal velocity, so I'll have VO, x. And then we are looking for VO, x, so we'll have VO, x here. That will be our x divided by t. We know our x here, we are given here, so I will have 1.52. And then our t here is 0.49. 0.49. And that will result in, I think that is around 3. but let's just use calculator for that. So we'll have 1.52 divided by 0.49. Okay, and I will have 3.10. 3.10. And the unit here will be meter over second. And that is the answer for question B. The initial velocity is 3.10 meter over second. And this is the answer for question A. And this is the answer for question B. Hopefully I did not make any mistakes during my calculation. And I think that's all for this problem. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.